Hey everyone, Toronto Ty back here again at Canada's Wonderland for another construction update. And as you can see, they've left a huge portion of this fence open so that we can get a great shot of all the track here and these green support structures, support features. So seems like those are probably going to be like for the transfer and brake run, and there is more track here this week, so this is really exciting. And of course, as soon as we get our first proper support structures, I'll be here to check it out, so stay tuned. Just getting another look at these 3 new sections of track that have arrived with the tires on them, and you may be able to see that this smaller piece here at the end curves a little bit, curves upward. So yeah, let me know what that means to you guys.
Hey everyone, later on in the day I noticed that this curve is the same type as is seen on Behemoth between the first section of the brake run and the second.
And I'll keep coming back to the park. Hey, check out who I found in the park. It's Major Mac, the amazing, unique icon mascot of the park. And many of you probably thought that this guy's name was Toronto Ty. I always like when it's not so blindingly bright out to prevent me from seeing the track in the tunnel here. Not much else going on. The stairs still not done. I really wonder how long that's going to take for them to get to work on that, but they do have some electrical going on here in the wall here, and still plenty of water and a ladder down at the bottom of the tunnel. Oh, with this fence now in the way along the Mindbuster exit, it's getting more difficult to see anything through here, but I mean, they're definitely still doing work, tearing up some of the old concrete and everything that was in the ground. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. And for the first time on one of my updates, I'm finally actually seeing a construction worker on the site. That's pretty awesome. Since I do these mainly on the weekend, it hasn't been something that I've been worried about or anything like that, but it's interesting that they are working on a Saturday. Let me know, everyone, what you can see back behind the fence. I can't see much because it is too bright, and I am blind. Blinded by the light, but it looks to me like they've got a lot of work going on, preparing to pour more footings, more footers, and tearing out more rockwork over there, more concrete. All kinds of work going all around here, and a bunch of lumber. Just getting a look over from the Splashworks side, and yep, there's a construction worker on site, which means they're doing all kinds of work this weekend. Yeah! Just getting a slightly different angle from over here. And I saw the worker on site. He was cutting up a piece of wood, sawing it to be the right size, so you go, dude. Actually getting to see what it is that he's doing. Making sure all those boards are the perfect size and then throwing them in a pit. Seems good to me. Well, over here in Splashworks, the wooden stakes in the dirt are gone, but it seems like they have finished getting this up to the same grade as this patio next to the wave pool. So, I mean, it's very interesting that they are doing progress here at this time of year when they are building a new roller coaster for next year. I don't know if they're going to do Splashworks expansion at the same time, but we'll see. Alright everyone, for this week's trivia time, I want you guys to let me know in the comments below what classic coaster the Mighty Canadian Mindbusters layout is based off of. If you can let me know down in the comments below, I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Which reminds me, a huge shout out to the Wonderland brothers, who correctly stated that the most unique element about Dragonfire's corkscrew is that it was the first corkscrew to go counterclockwise, and it is currently the only aero coaster with a counterclockwise corkscrew, the last one of its kind. So thanks to you guys, the Wonderland brothers. Alright guys, I'm going to throw out a wild theory here about the 2x4 on that side of the platform and the other 2x4 on this side of the platform. I mean, they're just about perfectly lined up. I think that maybe they're marking off where, you know, a type of arch similar to the Kidsville Arch or the castle gates out front of Medieval Fair. Something like that. These are where the posts are going to go, maybe? I just don't understand why they would have these 2x4s in the ground like this otherwise. But, you know, maybe it'll be introducing you to this new land, whatever it's called, new section of the park, which seems odd because, of course, the Mighty Canadian Mindbusters over there. So then it wouldn't be a part of this trail? I don't know. It's just a theory, but let me know what you guys think. Alright everyone, so if I had to guess, you know that I don't really like to get into too much speculation, but I would say that they're doing a lot of work over by the station area right now, and then once they're done getting most of the footers in there, then they will fence off this whole area and get started on putting in some more footers over here. I don't know, seems like a good idea to me. I don't really think that they should wait until Splashworks is closed. I don't see the need for it, so why not, you know, just get a jump on it. What, you guys thought that the support structures being on site was the big news for this week? Nah, it's gotta be that Sledgehammer is open! I'm finally gonna get my first ride of the season, and probably my second and maybe third. We'll see how it goes. And that'll about do it for this week, guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a good one!
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to comment down below for anything that you'd like me to cover in the next video. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post new videos.